Hi guys, welcome to Crack Software tutorial. In this video, we are going to see about what is Python. As a result of Python tutorial series, we are going to show about other questions one by one as the next set of videos. Please watch and make use of this. Python is an easy to learn, powerful programming language. So it has efficient high-level data structures and a simple but effective approach to object-oriented programming. Python's elegant syntax and dynamic typing together with its interpreted nature make it an ideal language for scripting and rapid application development in many areas on most platforms. So Python is easy to learn and it's a powerful programming language nowadays. It is used widely in many fields or many approaches they are using the Python. The Python interpreter and extensive standard library are freely available in source or binary form for all major platforms on the Python website. So the Python official website is https://www.python.org/ and may be freely distributed. The same site also contains distribution of pointers to many free third-party Python modules, programs, and tools, and additional documentations. So Python is a freely available language. So we can download from the official site they have given, and there are many modules associated with it. So we can take any modules and make use of the Python modules and libraries for our use. Also, the Python interpreter is easily extended with new functions and data types implemented in C or C++ or other languages callable from C. So Python is also suitable for an extension language for customizable applications. In simple words, we can say like Python is a popular programming language. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. So they have their own frameworks like Django, PyCharry, many frameworks they have created in Python for web application developments, and for the core Python development also they have many modules and libraries extensively. The Python tutorial has been written for the beginners to help them understand and the basic to advanced concepts of Python programming language. After completing this tutorial, you will find yourself a great level of expertise in Python, from where you can take yourself to the next levels to become a world-class software engineer. So we are going to cover all the topics in this next video session. So you will surely understand Python in the next level of development. We have also have many programming sessions, so we can make easy to learn Python from these tutorials. Thanks subscribers, thanks for the support. Welcome to Crack Software Tutorial. Visit youtube.com/cracksoftwareinterviews and Crack Software Tutorials. Thank you.